When was the last time you woke up feeling actually rested? Not "I survived" rested, not "coffee will fix this" rested, but clear head, normal human energy rested. If your answer is "I don't know" or "before my sleep schedule got destroyed," you're not broken, you're just stuck in a loop. And here's the crazy part. You don't need weeks, you don't need to suffer, you don't need to become a 5 a.m. monk. You can realistically fix your sleep schedule in 72 hours. I've done it. My friends have done it. And if you're a student who stays up too late, doom scrolls, studies last minute, or just feels tired all the time, this is for you. Your sleep schedule isn't bad because you're lazy. It's bad because your brain loves patterns. Late nights, late wake-ups, tired days, I'll fix it tomorrow. Tomorrow never comes. And the biggest mistake people make is trying to fix everything at once. They pull an all-nighter or force themselves to wake up 4 hours early and then crash hard. So we're not doing that. We're doing a 72-hour reset that works with your brain instead of against it. Here's the rule. We don't fight sleep, we guide it. This works in 3 phases. Day 1, stop the damage. Day 2, lock the rhythm. Day 3, make it automatic. Each day has one main goal. That's it, no overwhelm. Let's start with day 1. Day 1 is not about sleeping early. That's the trap. Day 1 is about protecting tomorrow. Step 1, pick one wake-up time. Not your dream time, not 5 a.m. Pick something realistic. If you're waking up at noon, choose 9:30 or 10. This is your anchor. No matter what happens tonight, you wake up at that time. Yes, even if you sleep late. Yes, it sucks a little, but trust me, this is the only hard part. Step 2, kill caffeine after 2 p.m. Not reduce, kill. Energy drinks, coffee, pre-workout, gone. You're not built different. Caffeine is literally delaying your sleep hormone. Step 3, 1-hour wind-down rule. No productivity, no studying, no one last video, just low stimulus stuff. Shower, stretching, calm music, journaling, literally staring at the wall. This tells your brain, we're landing the plane. You don't need to sleep early tonight, you just need to not make it worse. And tomorrow, that's where things shift. This is the most important day. You wake up at your anchor time, even if you slept 5 hours, even if you hate life for 10 minutes. Here's why it works. Sleep pressure builds naturally. The earlier you wake up, the stronger it gets. Now, 3 non-negotiables. I don't care if it's cloudy, I don't care if you're tired, go outside for 5 to 10 minutes. This tells your brain, this is morning, start the clock. No sunlight means your brain thinks it's still night.
Now, I'm a heavy sleeper, but that sound, it was different. It wasn't a branch or the wind, it was the sound of a human fingernail clicking against the pane. I live in a safe neighborhood in the suburbs of Ohio. You know the kind, where people leave their porch lights on and everyone knows your business. I moved here to get away from the noise. I pulled the covers up, heart hammering against my ribs like a trapped bird. Click, click, click. I crept to the window, peeled back the corner of the curtain, and my blood just turned to ice. There was a guy standing on a ladder he'd pulled from my own garage. He wasn't some masked movie villain. He was wearing a delivery uniform, and he was smiling. "Hey, Sarah," he whispered through the glass. "You forgot to sign for the package." "I don't know a Sarah. My name is Maya." I backed away, fumbling for my phone, but then I heard it. The sound of a key, my spare key, sliding into the front door lock downstairs. I'd hidden that key inside a fake plastic rock 3 years ago and totally forgotten about it. He didn't rush. He didn't scream. I heard the door creak open, then the slow, deliberate thud of boots on the hardwood. Thump, thump, thump. He started whistling Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, but real slow, like like a lullaby gone wrong. I locked my bedroom door, shoved my dresser in front of it, and called 911. The operator was trying to calm me down, but all I could hear was him standing right outside my door. The whistling stopped. "I know you're not Sarah," he said, his voice right against the wood, "but you'll do just fine." Then the handle turned, slowly, back and forth. The police arrived 6 minutes later. To me, it felt like 6 decades. They found him sitting on the floor in my hallway, just staring at my door with a roll of duct tape and a hunting knife in his lap. The worst part? When they searched his van, they found a notebook. It had my entire schedule for the last 4 months. When I leave for work, what I buy at the grocery store, even what time I turn off my TV. I moved out the next day. I don't use spare keys anymore, and I never look out the window after dark.